We have seen people comparing Google Assistant and the Siri, and recently ChatGPT's voice assistant as well. And it's been a talk right now that what Apple is doing in the AI industry. Now, when it comes to the big heads in the AI industry, there are a select few companies who can play a really good role here. Apple being one of it because it owns one of the highly valued company in the tech industry. But what it seems is like they are not able to develop as good model or as good AI as it should be, and that's the reason when they are not able to build something, they do partnership with it. For example, if we talk about earlier search engines, so Google is the best search engine, and Apple is not able to build a good search engine, right? And it is not even able to build a really great browser. So what they do is they partner with their rival, which is Google, and they get their search engine as the default search engine on their iPhone or Mac, because the other models are way more easier and way more better than what Apple is providing right now. Sure, they were having the integration of ChatGPT into the recent Siri experience that they had, but still I would say that was not efficient. And mostly if you talk about Siri, they call it their assistant, but Siri is not actually that good. Like, I mostly use Siri for calling sometimes to the known people, or mostly to set some reminder, and even it fails in setting the reminder properly. So in my opinion, it is one of the dumbest voice assistant that I was having in the heavily invested ecosystem. But anyways, now they are talking to bring Gemini as the backend of Siri, and with this collaboration, what I'm expecting is a good experience that will be brought to all the Apple users that are there. And Gemini in itself is a really good model. Earlier, they partnered with OpenAI, which was back then the best model. Now they are partnering with Gemini, and currently Gemini is one of the best model available in the market. So let's see what they comes up with. And now this adds one more discussion point in the Apple and Android comparison. If we talk about the on-device AI, then Samsung's AI, which is mostly powered by Gemini, it's really powerful and it does a lot of better things which most of the other tools are not able to do, or most of the other devices are not able to bring into the system. But now Gemini is also integrated into Apple, so Apple might be able to do all those stuff, and the features which are very popular in any Samsung device might be available in the iOS device as well very soon. Now this partnership could be a bit concerning as well, because when it was an era of search engine, Google was the sure shot winner because it was outperforming everyone else, and devices like Apple also needed to include Google into their system just to make sure the experience is better for their user. And Apple is heavily focused on the user experience side. So in the era of search engine, Google was the sure shot winner, and the same is happening right now because the model of Google, that is Gemini, is a lot more better than any other available in the market, mostly for the regular purposes, I would say. And now once again, Google is on the same trajectory, getting an upper hand in the AI industry. Anyways, whatever happens, this is going to be an exciting point of time to be alive. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and if you want to explore AI with me, you know what to do. See you in the next one.